Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I'm in Warrington, which is a very wet Warrington at the moment. If you hear any noise in the background, it's my little baby Spice. She's upstairs with her mummy today, and today's video is about, I'm sharing what I received in a swap. I am a member of the Crazy Sock Lady, and she has a Facebook group, and the ladies in there decided that we'd do a swap, and my swap has come all the way from the USA by the lovely Marcy Sereno. And yeah, so this is the box, and I'm going to open it and see what the lovely Marcy has sent me. So let's get into it. I did actually have to pay customs on this, which is quite unusual really, but that's twice in the last month that I had to pay customs on parcels from America, which is not good really, but hey ho, I'm so excited to see what the lovely Marcy has sent me in our swap. So this is the box. Inside the box, get down baby, thank you. So I've got a lovely card, Merry Christmas. Let's open it with a lovely sticker on the back. I'm going to see if I can open it without damaging the sticker, and see if I can put the sticker, there we go, lovely sticker. So I'm going to put it on my little Christmas tree. So let's have a look and see what she's done. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy all these little gifts. I hope you and your family have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love this swap, says Marcy. So thank you, Marcy. Beautiful card. There we go, lovely card. So let's see what we've got. So they're all nicely packaged. So let's see if I can get in it. Oh, look at this yarn. Oh my gosh, Nomadic Yarns. It's from the US. It's called Tweedy Socks, and it's home for the holidays. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, Marcy, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, that is fabulous. Thank you, Marcy. That is. And I've never had Nomadic Yarns. That's something to start in the new year. So I got that. Then I got a lovely little box, and I think this might have sorry, it's the box is sealed, so, and I think it's a Christmas tree ornament, because we were sending oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at that, guys. And it's got a little light, it's got a battery, and pull that out, and I do believe, look at that. Oh my gosh, oh Marcy, oh my lord. And it says 2023, Marcy. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Thank you so much. That is absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh my lord. Oh, what a lovely, that's going to sit on my Advent table for the rest of this Advent. Thank you, Marcy. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh, I'm just overwhelmed. So let me just move that out the way, put that there, and so I hope you can see it. Can you see it just there? Then move the, there we go, you can see it. Marcy, that is gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Marcy. And then I've got this parcel. Oh, look chocolate. White chocolate with caramel. Now, you all know, guys, white chocolate is my ultimate favourite chocolate. And it's Girardelli. And sorry if I'm butchering it, but it's American chocolate. And they've been in San Francisco since 1852. I think I might let Rick have a couple of these. Wow, thank you. Yummy. And then I've got something else. Oh, peppermint tea. Oh, wow, Marcy. Oh, yeah, I love peppermint tea. It's one of my favourite. I think I'm going to have some of this afternoon. And it is a Harney and Jones Fine Teas Tea Blends Peppermint Herbal, a brisk and refreshing herbal brew, 20 sachets. But look at the tin. Isn't that fab? Oh, Marcy, that is lovely. Thank you so much. You've really spoilt me. And there's another bag. I know Marcy makes bags. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh, she sent me, Marcy. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Look at that. I can put my advent in what I'm working on now. Look at that, guys. Isn't that just amazing? And I love the strap on the side. Oh, Marcy, this is amazing. And you know, Arjun and I, Arjun makes project bags, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Marcy. And it's so Marcy, handmade goods. Her little sticker there. Oh, I'm over the moon. I'm really, and there's pockets inside as well. Oh, Marcy, I love it. Look at that. I've got another Christmas. I've only got 2 Christmas Christmas bags, but this is beautiful. I love. And it's a square bottom, which I really like, square bottoms. That's amazing. Thank you. And she has sent me these stickers are going on my cupboard, and it says hooked on you, because I crochet as well. And I've got a couple progress keepers and a stitch marker in look at that. Wow. So I've got hooked on you. I've got a couple of marshmallows, hot chocolate with marshmallows. I've got a Merry Christmas. I've got a holly. I've got some yarn, and home is where yarn is. And how very true. Marcy, I am absolutely dumbfounded with my gift. Thank you so very much. I sent Marcy, what we had to do in the swap was we sent chocolate, tea or coffee, yarn, a Christmas card and a Christmas ornament. And Marcy has just gone, this is extra, and I am just, I'm over the moon. I'm totally shocked, but thank you, Marcy. Thank you so much. I will, I'll put the link to, I think Marcy's on, I'll have to check and find out where Marcy is, where she sells her bags, because I know she sells her bags, and I'll put the link in the description box below. But wow, Marcy, thank you. I have been totally spoilt. Thank you. So guys, that's all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed. Please check out the description box below for all the links where you can find me on Instagram, on YouTube. Well, obviously YouTube because you're here watching. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. Wow, guys, I'm not far off 7,000 now. So thank you all to all my new subscribers who have joined me this past week. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy my content. And I am going to love you and leave you. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.